post graduation? Yes, I wanted to become a fashion designer.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and I hope you all are doing well. So today's video is about get to know me video and nobody asked me to film this video. I myself wanted to film this video because I want my 680 subscribers to know me, that what type of person I am, what type of personality I carry and much more about me. So yes, if you guys want to know me then keep watching. So first I'm going to tell you that my name is Deepa Lilani, which is the name of my YouTube channel and the username of my Instagram as well. Actually I have a 2 ID of Instagram. First one is where I post my work which I have done on the clients, and second where I post my work obviously which I have done on myself. So basically I have 2 IDs and I have completed my graduation in BCom and post graduation in MCom, and again I'm going to do post graduation in MBA. Actually earlier I used to think that why I should waste my time in studies when I wanted to go for makeup only, and now also I wanted to go for makeup only. I want to go for makeup only, but I think that everyone should have a backup. That is what I think. So now I am going to pursue my MBA. Yes, I wanted to become a fashion designer. Actually I wanted to clear the NIFT exam and then I wanted to get the NIFT college as well so that I can become a famous fashion designer, but that all didn't happen and I'm so grateful that वो सब कुछ नहीं हुआ. And I cried a lot that I wanted to opt for NIFT exam, I wanted to get NIFT college. उसके बाद जब मुझे लगा कि चलो NIFT से नहीं हो रहा तो जो इंस्टीट्यूट्स होते हैं वहीं से जाके मैं डिप्लोमा कर लेती हूँ फैशन डिज़ाइनिंग का. इसके बाद एटलीस्ट मैं मेरा स्टूडियो खोल पाऊँगी, बट दैट ऑल डिडंट हैपन एंड आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल फॉर दैट. एंड देन व्हाट हैपन दैट वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स टोल्ड मी, लाइक टॉट मी द बेसिक स्टेप्स ऑफ द मेकअप. एंड उस टाइम पे तो मुझे पता भी नहीं था कि मेकअप आर्टिस्ट जैसा कुछ होता है. नो डाउट आई लव डूइंग मेकअप एट दैट टाइम ऑल्सो, आई लव डूइंग मेकअप, बट मुझे नहीं पता था कि मेकअप आर्टिस्ट जैसा भी कुछ होता है. सो इसके बाद सडनली माई फ्रेंड टोल्ड मी दैट दीपा यू कैन गो फॉर द मेकअप आर्टिस्ट कोर्स. देन आई जॉइन श्रुति भट्ट मेकअप स्कूल. एंड टू बी ऑनेस्ट कोर्स करने के बाद आप कोर्स करने के बाद आप मेकअप आर्टिस्ट नहीं बन जाते हो. जब मैं इंदौर से भोपाल आई थी, my 1 month was like I'm not getting any orders, I'm not doing anything regarding the makeup field, and I was so worried at that time that why I'm not getting orders. I have completed my course, but then I got to know, okay, we have to do these particular things to get orders or to be highlighted or to be featured, that not my clients, that people should know that I have done the makeup course and now I am makeup artist and now I am taking the clients as well. So ये सब हुआ एंड फिर इसके बाद धीरे धीरे मुझे ऑर्डर्स आने लगे एंड आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल वॉट एवर आई हैव एंड वॉट लाइफ आई एम living. So yes, now I am going to answer your few questions. I have told you that what is my name, how I started my makeup career and what not difficulties, but yes ऊपर से थोड़ा थोड़ा बता दिया है. So now let's quickly jump for the questions. Okay, so the first question is how often do you use social media? I use social media a lot. I scroll reels a lot and I love watching YouTube a lot. Actually what I do on YouTube, I listen to podcast. I love listening podcasts so much. So basically I spend so much time on YouTube. Then the next question is which social network is your favorite? Instagram and YouTube. I love scrolling reels on Instagram and I love listening podcast on YouTube and watching podcast on YouTube. I don't love scrolling shorts on YouTube. I don't know why, but I love scrolling reels on Instagram. And then how do you celebrate your birthday? Actually I am looking forward to vlogging my birthday. So if you guys want to know that how I celebrate my birthday, you can subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss my birthday vlog. And then the next question is where do you shop makeup the most at? I shop makeup most at from Nykaa. Like I shop makeup the most from Nykaa. I love Nykaa Pink Friday sale so much. So yes, I shop most my makeup from the Nykaa only. And then if you could learn new skill, what it would be? I wanted to learn guitar. I want to learn guitar. I want to learn digital marketing as well. I don't know why, but I want to learn digital marketing. I have little bit interest in that, and I think that we should know जितना हम लोग सीख सकते हैं हमें सीख लेना चाहिए. So I want to learn guitar as well as digital marketing. And then the next question is, what are you most thankful for? I am thankful for everything I have, for my parents, for family, for friends, whatever life I have, for everything. What I think is कि अगर हम लोग thankful होंगे whatever we have, then only we can get whatever we want. So I'm grateful for everything and I'm thankful for everything. And yes, I didn't tell you this about my thing, that I love deep conversations a lot. कभी कभी होता है ना कि आपको डीप कॉन्वर्सेशन बहुत अच्छी लगती है. लाइक मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि यूनिवर्स बताता है अपन को कि यू नीड दिस कॉन्वर्सेशन एट दैट टाइम, और उस डीप कॉन्वर्सेशन में से आपको कुछ ना कुछ तो सीखने को मिलता ही है, या आप मोटिवेट हो जाते हो, या सीखने को आपको कुछ ना कुछ मिलता है. सो येस, आई लव डीप कॉन्वर्सेशन अ लॉट. एंड देन, डू यू कीप अ डायरी और जर्नल? येस, आई कीप अ जर्नल. Actually what I do, like whatever I want to do, whatever is my priority, like meditation, gym, and filming, editing, novel reading, and then night walk after dinner. So I keep, like, I write date on the one side, and then I write all the things like meditation, gym, and all that. Then I tick mark all these things. And what I do in journal is that I find few questions. I always find few questions from Pinterest, and then I answer all those questions by writing. And I love doing these things. What happens is, अगर मेडिटेशन के तुरंत बाद आप ये चीज़ें करते हो, आपको सुबह सुबह इतना अच्छा फील होता है, इतना पॉजिटिव फील होता है, देन आपका जो पूरा दिन है वो पॉजिटिविटी से जाता है. दिस इज व्हाट आई थिंक. येस, दिस इज इट फॉर टुडेज वीडियो. आई होप you all have enjoyed this video, so please do subscribe my channel and hit a bell icon so that you won't miss any notification regarding my videos. And I have made video of this tutorial as well, which I have posted already. So if you guys want to know that how I created this look as well, then you can go and check that video as well. Till then, see you, bye bye.